So I got back from the Game Developers Conference in San Francisco a couple of weeks ago and wanted to put together a little edit on all the cool things that I saw while I was there. And a lot of you, I think, wonder why we go to conferences like this, and the reasons are kind of manyfold. One of them being obviously that we work together with Epic Games and Unreal Engine, but also the game industry has so many awesome advancements and things that are relevant for us even if we're not developing games. So things like interactivity and usability, things like that are important to us obviously as well. And also there are so many great marketing tactics that they use in the game industry, and that's also something that we can learn from. So all of these things kind of together are reasons why we go to places like the GDC.